Then what is the point here? Nityasya uktaha sharirana. For the shariri, one who is making this body conscious, and that shariri is what? Nityaha. Nityaha means what? It is time free. See that. It is timeless. It is indestructible. It is Sat. Other, what else you carry is Asat. Like Swapna Dehadivadu. Idi Bhashyakaraka. Like, you have a dream. Then, there are mountains, space, time, mountains, what all these things which you see, you project in your dream. And there are people also. All these people whom you see in the dream, they have a body. But that different bodies are projected by whom? Where it is? You are the one who is the author of all these bodies. All these bodies and the world is your singular projection. It's a single projection. It is not that, like in the Bible, it's not a creation which is sequential. No creation can be sequential. If any creation which is sequential, there is something wrong with that creation. First there is space, then there is this, and the seventh day, God took a break. He was so much tired of creating all this. Then he took a break. And everything and man he created in his own image. Man he created in his own image. Then from the vertebral column, spinal cord, he created woman. Then he put both of them into the Eden garden. And you want to know the nationality of Adam? What is the nationality of Adam? The nationality of Adam? See, they say, somebody was telling, Adam can have any nationality except he is a Chinese. Why? Because when the serpent came and enticed Adam to have this apple, if he would have been a Chinese, he would have eaten the serpent and left the apple alone. So the whole Bible would have been not there. Had that happened, the whole Bible would have not been there. So definitely he is not a Chinese. We are not worried about it. So, if the creation is sequential, first space, then time, then all this is sequential, that creation is not a proper creation. Why? Creation is like the way you create your dream. It is a singular projection. It is simultaneous. Time, space, forms, everything is simultaneous. Because sequentially if you create, God would have been what? God would have been like one of the uncles. And he would have got an address. And if he had got an address, that means what? You are telling there was space before God was. And when you say at this moment God has created everything sequentially, you are telling there was time before God was. So a God who is caught up within time and space cannot be a God. That's why we don't buy sitting in heaven, God created everything. That idea we don't buy. Because it is untenable. Incongruent. Why? Because there cannot be time and space before the creation. Heaven is a space. Heaven is, the inference is, if sitting in heaven, that heaven is within time and space. Therefore, creation is not sequential. It is like the dream. You projected the dream. It is not that first you projected and created the space. Then you created mountains. Then you created rivers. Then you created all these people. No. It is your projection. When you become awake from that projection, then all the sharira, bodies which you have created, where it has gone? Unto you. It has gone unto you. Suppose I have a ton of gold, I created thousands of bracelets, chains, everything I created from this 1 ton of gold. Then I started counting. What are the things which he created? I started counting. But when you start counting, you can count only with reference to the form, not with which you have what you have created. Therefore, there is only one gold. There can be 1,000 pieces of bracelets, 1,000 pieces of chains. Can be 1,000 pieces of all the ornaments, but there is only one gold. That means what you see as these forms and names are nothing but your own projection. Like the dream. All the forms and names and everything which you have created, and once you awake from your dream, then it has all gone unto you, and their existence is only in different forms and names and functions. So existence is nothing but different names which you have given to different forms, and these are forms. Each form has got a function. Therefore, this Sharira is what? Swapna Dehadivata. It is a body which is in dream, because it cannot survive. That body is dependent upon you. So every form which you see is depending upon the existence. What is the existence? The awareness in the form of isness is the existence of every so-called object. Therefore, every so-called object you can reduce into form, into a form. It is within a form, within a form, within a form, within a form. But you cannot take the Sadbhava from any other object. Therefore, every object is a superimposition of form upon existence. That is called Sat. Your body is also superimposed. Upon what? Your body is superimposed upon the I, which makes the body sentient, which makes your mind sentient, which makes your senses sentient. What I you are talking about? This I who is listening? No. These spoken words are listened to an I. These spoken words are listen. I am listening. When you say I am listening, who is listening? That I has got a form. It has got a sender. It is not that I. The content of that I is thought. I thought has got a form. The content of that I thought is formless consciousness. That consciousness is as though limited by this form called body. That consciousness is as though limited by the form called mind. That consciousness is as though limited by the form called senses. See this, like the water. What is there in the ocean? Water. Nothing else. Then the moment you start seeing waves after waves, what you are seeing, you are missing water, and your emphasis is on the form. Once you start seeing water in every form, there is only water for you. But once you miss water, once you start giving reality to the forms, then you see waves coming and going, and you see an ocean. But what is there? There is no ocean as such. The forms in totality you call as water, you call as ocean, and the forms as adjuncts, which as though coming and going, you call it as a wave. What is there? Is nothing but water. So too, this Sharira which you see here is a superimposition, because this Sharira, when you say the body, when you say the body is, you reduce your body. It can be reduced to billions of cells. Where is your body? It is nothing but billions of cells. Each cell you take, then it is made up of subatomic particles. It is made up of quarks. Then what is a quark? Then you say blue, color. And subatomic level if you go, then you end up with a pack of energy in movement. Forms in movement.